wait. I bring a message from Master Shifu.
What? Double the guard? Extra precautions? Your prison may not be adequate? You doubt my prison's security?
Absolutely not. Shifu does. I'm just the messenger.
I'll give you a message for your master, Shifu. Escape from Choregum prison is impossible!
Oh.
Impressive, isn't it?
It's very impressive. It's very impressive.
One way in, one way out. 1,000 guards and one prisoner.
Yes, except that prisoner is Tai Lung.
Take us down. Behold, Tai Lung.
I'm just gonna wait right here.
It's nothing to worry about. It's perfectly safe. Crossbows at the ready.
Crossbows?
Hey, tough guy, did you hear? Oogway's finally going to give someone the Dragon Scroll, and it's not going to be you.
What are you doing? Don't get him mad.
What's he going to do about it? I've got him completely immobilized. Oh, did I step on the witty kitty's tail? Oh.
I'm good. I've seen enough. I'm gonna tell Shifu he's got nothing to worry about.
No, he doesn't.
Okay, I'll tell him. Can we please go now? Shifu!
You're not going anywhere, and neither is he!
Call
Bring it up! Quick! Bring it back!
Go this way!
He won't get far. Archers!
dead.
Not yet, we're not. Now!
Can we run now?
Yes.
I'm glad Shifu sent you. I was beginning to think I'd been forgotten. Fly back there and tell them the real Dragon Warrior is coming home.